saying. You could put somebody's eye out.
Yeah, not all of us have one to spare.
Oh, hey, Carrot, do you think I could borrow your tie tonight?
My lucky tie? For what?
I have a date.
Date?
Yeah, with this corpse girl I met down at the cemetery.
What? You can't go on a date with a corpse girl looking like that.
I know.
Here, corpse girls love guys who wear black hats. Plus, it'll cover up your bald spot.
My what? Why did you guys tell me I had a bald spot?
Bald spot, you got your brains hanging out of your noggin.
And look at yourself. Your eyeball's popping out of its socket.
Corpse girls like guys who wear glasses because they look smart.
Se vuelven locos por los dientes de vampiro. Mira, ya te vas.
Now you're ready for your date. And hey, borrow my tie.
I've never been to this restaurant before.
Oh, yeah. I like it because it's so dark.
Would you like some freshly grated cheese on that?
Yes, please.
How's your date going?
He just doesn't seem like the same guy I met in the cemetery.
That's why I stopped meeting girls at the cemetery. They always turn out to be such stiffs.
Oh man, Birdbrain is totally bombing his date. Not even my lucky tie can save him.
Date go poorly.
He needs professional help.
Pues ahora tiene que cuajarse con nosotros.
Here, I'll get his attention.
Oh, you hit his teeth.
Are you okay? Your beak is bleeding.
Ah, my tie! He's getting blood all over it. Hey, Birdbrain!
What did you say, nigga?
What are you guys doing here?
This date is FUBAR. You need backup.
I'm just here to make sure nothing happens to my tie.
Your tie?
Yeah, look, he got blood all over it.
Birdbrain! You are the partially lobotomized love muffin I remember from the cemetery.
Oh, I guess I was wrong. You guys helped after all. What great friends.
Glad I could help.